Hey guys, that's not even right. Hey, Casey Ray here. Okay, this is the literal third time I've tried to film this. So I'm gonna try to make it short and sweet. I'm super rusty at being on camera. Hey, hello, this is my face. Do you remember what it looks like? Probably not, because it's been like a year since I've posted. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on where this channel is going and my ancestry stuff, because I know a lot of you guys subscribe for that reason and you're probably curious. So here goes. I posted a update video, I don't know, a couple of months back, and that's the only thing I've posted in a really long time. In that video, I mentioned how much I love this channel. It has been an outlet for me. You guys have been super awesome, and I miss talking to you guys. And I really do miss the community aspect of this channel. So in saying that, I feel like it's kind of dumb to build up a community of people and a channel and abandon it. I'm not saying that I want to come on here and do videos like this and vlog and do a lot of the things that you probably signed up for. I'm not really saying that. But what I am saying is I really would love a place to share the projects that I've been working on, whether that's wedding videos or just passion projects. I really want to have a place to put those, and I know you guys are probably curious, and if you're not, I totally understand. I do plan to post travel vlogs sometimes because I just genuinely enjoy making those. I will be going to Thailand in November, which I'm super excited about. Thailand has been #1 on my bucket list since I can remember, and I'm gonna get to meet my great-grandmother and my aunts and get to hang out with them for 2 weeks. And so I plan to post a travel vlog during that time and probably some other cool stuff. Yeah, I hope you will stick around for that and whatever else I may be posting. So kind of speaking about Thailand, and that kind of moves us into the ancestry stuff. First and foremost, I want to speak to 2 individuals. I'm not going to mention their names, but I just want to say thank you to them. 2 different individuals have really taken it upon themselves to reach out to educate me on Jewish traditions and customs, and not saying I figured it all out and I know everything now. I definitely don't, but for them to have nothing to gain and they just saw something in me and in the videos that I posted and wanted to help, I really appreciate that. Also, I know that I mentioned in my video that my grandfather passed away, and to my knowledge, he really didn't have that close of relatives. Well, I have reached out to his brother. He is my grandfather's closest living relative, and he lives in Hawaii, and we've been in touch. We've exchanged Christmas presents and phone calls on birthdays, and it's definitely, we're still getting to know one another, and we do plan to meet. We don't have official plans for that just yet, but I will keep you guys updated on that, and maybe there'll be a video. I don't know, but I am really excited to get to know him and to, keep strengthening that relationship. Other than that, there really hasn't been any more life-changing developments in this ancestry journey. There was a TV opportunity that I totally missed out on. BBC's Marketplace reached out to me, and I thought I was going to Canada, and they totally just ghosted me. And I'm sad about it because I wanted to go to Canada. And they still use my footage, and they didn't even credit me, which whatever, it's fine, I don't care. I just wanted to go to Canada, okay? But other than that, that's really all that's happened. But if you have any questions, I feel like I'm forgetting something, but just leave that in the comments below. So I hope you guys will stick around on my channel. I do miss you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, please don't leave. You're my favorites. Peace and love.